How to install apps manually on the iPhone. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, well, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are some things which you might have in mind, like obviously there are also like plenty of different features within App Store which allow like automatic downloads, and you can find it all inside of the settings app by going to the apps at the bottom, and from the list pick the App Store. It should be somewhere to the closer to the top because it's all sorted alphabetically. But within the App Store settings here, you can decide and go to the automatic downloads section, and there are the app updates, in-app content, and app downloads. Those depends on how you like it, but if you prefer a manual approach, I would turn off these toggles here because it just means that when I have the app downloads enabled, it means that apps downloaded on a different devices will automatically install on this device as well. Same for app updates, so it does install them automatically if there is a new update available. And the whole point is that if you prefer manual approach over automatic, it's likely that you want to turn it off right here, perhaps even for the in-app content as well. So you perhaps prefer a fully manual approach to this. So it depends on what you need to do or what do you like about this. But I would personally turn it off completely and have it completely in my hands and use it manually. So of course I would then just open up the App Store and I would have to like confirm the installation of the app, and nothing would appear automatically on my phone. So I really hope that I can help you out with this. Let me know in the comments below if that is the thing you had in mind. If not, if you had like a completely different problem, let me know about that as well. It's likely I'll make an updated video to help you out with this too. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon in the upcoming videos as well.